Page 33, Donkey Party. I think they're introducing a few new notes there in the bottom staff. You need to learn those and just memorize them. At the beginning of this, your right hand's here, the left hand is down here. So now we're in C position, because the bottom note in each hand is a C. So each hand is in C position. 3/4 time, there's no sharps at the beginning, so we're in the key of C major. Hopefully do the, if you haven't, please do, and if you do, keep doing it, the scale video, the scale for C major. And you've had G major, you can do that. Generally, you work on the scale in the key signature of the piece you're working on. If these are in C major, do the C major scale and learn it. Just know the scale, the beginner portion, the part in the video. I explain it all there. And that's really what it is. So we have phrasing here. We want to hear a little silence between the phrases. You just lift up and down between the phrases. It's a small movement. I exaggerate. It's a small movement. And that's really about it. You've had pretty much everything else. The hands are playing together sometimes. Look at the last two measures of the first line. The right hand's got an E and a C, but the left hand has a G and an E at the same time. So it's here to here. And the second line's the same thing. You got to play those together. Yeah. So let's try it out slowly to check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 3 counts since it's in 3/4 time. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.